Hey guys, today I will show you how I prepared this yummy chicken and unripe plantain pepper soup. So let's get right into the video. For this recipe, I will be using one hard chicken, which I've already washed, cut into biteable sizes as you can see, and I also removed the skin of the chicken because I don't like seeing all those hairs on the chicken, so I have to remove the skin before cutting it. If you want to remove the skin, make sure you remove it before cutting it, because after cutting it, it will be difficult for you to remove the skin. And this is the size I cut it. So here are other ingredients I will be using to prepare this pepper soup. Here is my 2 unripe plantains which I will be using. Over here is my seasoning powder, and here I have some dried scent leaves. Next to it is 1 habanero pepper, because I have other hot ingredients here. I have Ehuru, Uziza and dry pepper, and I also have ginger and garlic paste which I made. The link will be in the description box below. Here is some diced onion, paprika and some salt. So let's get right into the cooking. Thank you so much for watching up to this extent. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe and enable notification. So I'll be adding water into the chicken, almost to the level of the chicken. Then I will follow it up with my seasoning powder. I will also be adding my chicken seasoning. The first seasoning I added was universal seasoning. You can use it to season everything. Then I followed it up with my chicken seasoning, which is my beni, and I will be adding my diced onion. If you don't like seeing diced onion, you can blend your diced onion before adding it. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of paprika just to add some color into the chicken pepper soup. So it's optional. So I'll be adding some salt to it as well. Then I follow it up with my homemade ginger garlic paste. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below to see how I made this. Then I will also cover my pot and start cooking this for 45 minutes till the chicken is tender. Then while waiting for the chicken to cook, I will start cutting my plantain. First, I will remove the skin of the plantain just like so. I've removed the skin of the first one. Then after removing the skin, I will cut it into the shape that I want. I'll be cutting each one into 4 pieces. Cut it into the shape of your choice, okay? If you want it too small, if you want it too big, you cut it anyhow you want it. Then once I'm done cutting it, I will set it aside and cut my habanero pepper. You can use your blender to blend your habanero pepper. You can use your mortar and your pestle, but I love using my knife and my fork to cut my habanero pepper. So guys, it's time to add the remaining things inside the pot because the chicken has been cooking for 45 minutes. Please, if you are watching up to this extent, remember to give this video a thumbs up and share the video to your family, your friends and your colleague. First, I'll be throwing in my unripe plantain. I will follow it up with my spices. I will stir it a bit to know if I will be topping more water into this. Then after that, I will add a little bit of water to the level of the contents. I will cover my pot and cook the plantain for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I will come back and add the remaining ingredients. Then the first thing I'll be adding now is my habanero pepper. If you want it too hot, you can add more pepper into yours, okay? Then once I'm done adding the habanero pepper, I follow it up with my dry scent leaf. If you have fresh scent leaves, fresh Uziza or fresh otazi, you can as well add those ones. If you don't have it, you can use any vegetable of your choice, okay? So I will give this a stir. and I will also test for salt. And the salt is perfect for me. Cover for 1 minute for the vegetable to be cooked and then dish it out. And here comes the end of today's video. Bye.